Hey guys, let's discuss new problem. The problem from array, which is called threesome. Here you need to find indices I, J, K, or array element something like array I, array J, array K, where I, J, K is not equal to 0 and their sum is equivalent to 0. So how many these kind of triplets are there in the array, and you need to print those triplets as well. Okay, so how we will do it, let's see. So you have let's say you have given array something like this. So first you will sort the array, so let's sort it. This one will become something like this: -1 0 1 2, and here -4 will come. Okay, so this is 0 1 2 3 4 5 indexes. Okay, so now what you will do, you'll take three indexes, so like ijk, three variables ijk. Okay, I will be the part of your for loop. Okay, and so let's see why we are running this for loop for number length -2. Why -2? Because we have three indices. Okay, three variables and three pointers, and so let's see, I is pointing to 0, J will and then left and then right. Okay, so I will point to 0, left will point to I plus 1, so left will be this, and right will point to array length -1, so this one will be right. Okay, and then you will run this loop. So because right is already here, okay, length -1 position, and it is, you're already calculating it in your calculation, right? So that's why you're running this loop from here to here, means length -1. This one was already length -1 and this one is length -2, so you're running from 0 to length -2. Okay, now let's see. Okay, we are checking here a few conditions for the duplicate element. So for example, let's see here, -1 is coming here. Okay, so you have already processed for this -1. Now again, if -1 is coming here, then no need to process that, right? The result will be same. So we are so for that duplicate condition, we are using this condition: if I is greater than 0 and number I and I -1 is equal, so just continue, don't process anything. Okay, it will go back to loop and then will increment the value of I. Same thing we are doing for left and right also. So here this is the left condition and this is the right condition. Okay, here. Okay, so if both are equal, for left adjacent is equal, so you will do left plus plus. For right, if it is equal, then you will do right minus minus. That's it. Okay, now so let's start our processing. So a of I is -4. Okay, plus array of j, array of left, okay, which is -1, and array of right is 2. So what is the sum? -5 plus 2 -3. Okay, so -3, but we need 0, so it means we need to add more element. So we need to add element means we will do left plus plus. If we need to decrease the element, then we will do right minus minus, because the array is sorted. Okay, so when you decrement right, you will get the lesser element than the current right, and if you increment the value of left, you will get the greater element. Okay, because this one is sorted in ascending order. Now, so left will become this. So now here -4 plus -1. Okay, but here left will we will just here for left, yeah, we will just simply continue it, because we have already counted for this one, right? So left will come here, and this one will 0 plus 2, so this one is -2. -2, again we need to increment the value of left, so left will point to this this one. Okay, so now this one. Okay, so now -4 plus 1 plus 2, what is that? -1, no, not working. Again left you will increment, so left is less than our condition is false. Okay, so it will come out from the loop. Now I is equal to 1, so now I is equal to 1, I will increment again. Let me do one thing here, let me clear this thing. Okay, so now again I is pointing to this -1. Okay, left will be pointing here and right will be pointing here. So let's see, let me remove this one also. Okay, so now let's see, -1 plus minus 1 and plus 2, 0. This is what we want, right? So we have created one array list, and the type of storing the type of variable it is result it is storing is list of integer. So this is the list of integer. Okay, so you will store this minus 1 and 2 list in the array list. Okay, so this is the one element here. Now, so you are storing this where it is, see, result dot add. Okay, arrays dot as list, number I, number left and number right. Again, now if you see, so now L will be pointing here, R will be pointing here. So what is this? Minus 1 plus 0 plus 1, again 0. So add this value also, minus 1 0 1. Okay, in the list. Now L will increment, R will decrement, L less than right, condition false. Okay, so now you will increment the value of I. Now I will come here. Okay, so it will say that this minus 1 and this minus 1 is duplicate, so it will just simply skip. I will come here, left will come here, right will come here. 0 plus 1 plus 2 3, condition true, false. Okay, it will decrement the value of R, so R will point to here. So 0 plus 1, L is less than R, condition false, right? And then you will check for this I 1, so that one will also be false. So this is your resultant, this is your answer. That's it.